Kings of Pain, Stinging Sharks, America vs. Australia, S2E9. Kings of Pain is more than just a television show. It's a bold experiment that pushes the boundaries of human endurance, explores the nature of pain, and uncovers the unique characteristics of wildlife. In the 9th episode of the 2nd season, viewers embark on an exhilarating journey across 2 continents, America and Australia, where the show S-Team encounters some of the ocean's most dangerous inhabitants, stingrays and sharks. This episode, titled Stinging Sharks, America vs. Australia, offers a deep dive into the world of marine predators, their defense mechanisms, and the excruciating pain they can inflict. The concept of Kings of Pain. At its core, Kings of Pain is a daring exploration of pain. Hosted by wildlife expert Adam Thorn and his co-host Rob Animal Raskin, the series involves intentionally subjecting themselves to venomous bites, stings, and other painful encounters with creatures from around the globe. Their mission? To rank these experiences on a pain scale, providing insights into the intensity, duration, and unique qualities of each encounter. The show blends entertainment with education, offering viewers not only thrilling visuals, but also scientific context about the animals, their habitats, and their roles in the ecosystem. Each episode focuses on a specific theme or location, and in Stinging Sharks, America vs. Australia, the spotlight is on marine life known for its ability to deliver debilitating pain. Setting the stage, America vs. Australia. The premise of this episode is simple yet captivating. Compare the pain inflicted by marine animals native to the United States and Australia. Both countries boast rich biodiversity, particularly in their coastal waters, making them ideal locations for such an investigation. From the warm waters of Florida to the rugged coasts of Western Australia, the hosts immerse themselves in environments teeming with fascinating and often dangerous marine species. The episode begins with Adam and Rob discussing the cultural fascination with sharks and rays. These creatures have long been portrayed as fearsome predators in popular media, but their true nature is far more complex. While sharks are often seen as apex hunters, stingrays are typically perceived as gentle giants. However, both groups possess formidable defense mechanisms capable of delivering intense pain. The Stingray Encounter, a lesson in defense mechanisms. One of the first encounters in the episode takes place in the shallow waters off the coast of Florida, where southern stingrays thrive. Known for their flat, diamond-shaped bodies and whip-like tails, stingrays are equipped with a serrated barb at the base of their tail. This barb contains venom, which is released upon penetration into the victim's flesh. Adam volunteers to experience the sting firsthand. As he carefully handles a captured stingray, the creature reacts defensively, striking him with its barbed tail. The result is immediate and visceral. Adam describes the sensation as sharp and burning, likening it to being stabbed with a hot knife. The venom causes localized swelling and throbbing pain that persists for hours. Rob provides additional context, explaining how stingrays use their barbs primarily for self-defense rather than predation. He highlights the evolutionary advantage of having such a potent weapon against larger predators, including sharks. Despite their reputation for docility, stingrays are not to be underestimated. The shark bite. Testing the limits of pain. While stingrays deliver piercing pain through their barbs, sharks rely on their powerful jaws and razor-sharp teeth to incapacitate prey. For the next segment of the episode, the team travels to Australia, home to some of the world's most notorious shark species, including the bull shark and great white shark. In controlled conditions, Adam and Rob simulate a shark bite using specialized equipment designed to mimic the force exerted by these predators. They also interact with smaller shark species, such as the wobbegong, to better understand their behavior and hunting techniques. The highlight of the Australian segment comes when Adam allows himself to be bitten by a juvenile lemon shark. Though the shark lacks the crushing power of its adult counterparts, the bite still leaves a deep impression, not just physically, but emotionally. Adam reflects on the primal fear associated with shark attacks and how misconceptions about these animals persist, despite evidence suggesting they pose little threat to humans. Comparing the pain. America versus Australia. With both encounters complete, Adam and Rob sit down to analyze their experiences. They consider factors such as the type of pain, sharp versus dull, its duration, and any lingering effects. The stingray's venomous barb earns high marks for its initial intensity and prolonged discomfort, while the shark bite is noted for its raw physical trauma. Interestingly, the hosts find that neither encounter definitively surpasses the other in terms of overall pain. Instead, they emphasize the importance of respecting all marine life, regardless of size or reputation. Whether it's the stealthy strike of a stingray or the crushing grip of a shark, both animals command admiration and caution. Beyond the pain, conservation and education. What sets Kings of Pain apart from other adventure shows is its commitment to conservation and education. Throughout the episode, Adam and Rob stress the need to protect marine ecosystems and dispel myths surrounding sharks and stingrays. They point out that many species face threats from overfishing, habitat destruction, and climate change, underscoring the urgency of preserving these vital components of oceanic biodiversity. The hosts also encourage viewers to appreciate the complexity of marine life. Rather than fearing these creatures, they advocate for understanding their behaviors and roles within the food chain. By doing so, we can foster a deeper connection with nature and work towards sustainable coexistence. Conclusion: why stinging sharks matters. Stinging sharks, America versus Australia, exemplifies everything that makes Kings of Pain compelling. It combines adrenaline-pumping action with thoughtful commentary, inviting viewers to rethink their perceptions of pain and wildlife. Through their willingness to endure discomfort, Adam and Rob shine a light on the intricacies of marine biology and the delicate balance of ocean ecosystems. Ultimately, this episode serves as a reminder of our responsibility to safeguard the natural world. Whether you're captivated by the thrill of close encounters or intrigued by the science behind them, Kings of Pain offers something for everyone. And in an era where environmental challenges loom large, stories like this inspire hope and action. By the end of the episode, one thing becomes clear: the real Kings of Pain aren't the sharks or stingrays. It is the humans brave enough to confront them head-on, armed with knowledge, respect, and an unyielding sense of curiosity.